Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HSA with Fidelity for health expense tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Fidelity website. Locate the login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on register to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the accounts section on the dashboard. Select Health Savings Account from the list of account options. If you do not see this option, use the search bar to find Health Savings Account. Next, click on the Activate HSA button. Follow the prompts to review the terms and conditions. Fill in any required personal information, such as your Social Security number. Provide the necessary tax information as requested. You may need to confirm that you are eligible for an HSA. Once confirmed, review all the information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to finalize the activation process. You will receive a confirmation message once your HSA is activated. After activation, navigate to the expense tracking section of your HSA. Here, you can start logging your health expenses. Make sure to keep records of your expenses for future reference. Review your account regularly to ensure all entries are accurate. Congratulations, your HSA is now activated for health expense tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.